In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with lead generation even if you have zero experience. This is a single tool that, if used correctly, can get your lead generation business up to $10,000 to $20,000 a month without needing any additional software. But before I show you this tool, make sure that you're subscribed down below and smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. First, let's talk about what is lead generation. Lead generation is the process of attracting customers to your business. And in this specific case, you will be selling leads and data to other people. So in this specific case, a lead is an email address of somebody that would potentially be interested in your client's business. And you're selling leads to these people so that they can use them in outbound marketing or cold email campaigns. A cold email is sending a message to somebody who does not know you and pitching your service to them. There's an entire industry in Silicon Valley and in most business-to-business companies that involves cold email, cold calling, etc. And I should know, I wrote the book on it, Cold Email Manifesto, available now. So what you're doing in order to make some extra cash on the side is selling data to these companies that need to buy leads. And you're going to do it using the tool I'm about to show you. But first, let's talk about how to start a lead generation business. First, you're going to pick a niche and geography. So you will decide who you're going to work with. I would pick anyone in business to business, and there are a ton of industries to choose from. In fact, let's go on over to this tool called LeadShark. You can go over to leadshark.com and it'll give you a list of industries that you can choose from. Inside of LeadShark, on the search filters, you just hit industry, and there are a ton here. So now we'll think of industries that'll buy leads. It's anyone that sells to other businesses. Could be banking, could be commercial real estate, computer games, computer hardware, any of these. Another easy way to do this is just go to job title, scroll down, and click sales. If they have a sales team, they're going to need leads. And then for keywords, we want to target senior people. So I would type director, which will give you the director of sales, etc. Lead location, let's go for the United States. And then number of employees, we'll target the golden geese companies, which are bigger companies that are able to afford you, but not too big to have a bunch of red tape you have to cut through before you sell. So let's target companies between 51 and 1,000 employees. Then we start searching. The shark swims through the ocean, and now we're presented with a list of over 100,000 leads that match this criteria. You can see here Director of Marketing, Director of Human Resources Director, Managing Director, Marketing, Operations, E-commerce, Director of Operations. So we might even want to target the criteria down even more and just write the word Sales Director here. And now we have 52,000 leads that are sales directors at the companies that we want. So we'll click these and we can download either the full list, or for now we'll just download one. Make sure we clean up the list so that it's cold email ready by clicking this one box here. The emails are verified and sent directly to Excel, where we can then use them in our cold email campaigns. Notice the company name was also cleaned up. Inside our database, it was Waterpik Inc., but inside of the Excel sheet, the company name is Waterpik. Totally clean. You could send a cold email directly to this without any processing needed. Send it over to your Lemlist account or whatever you want to use for cold email sending. And actually, you can get all of our recommendations if you go to coldemailmanifesto.com/tools. So that's how you find clients. Now, if you wanted to sell leads, you would do the same thing, but for whatever your clients want to buy. Let's say the customers want to buy computer software leads. You would do that, set your criteria, hit search, and all you would do is download the leads off of LeadShark and resell them to the customer for more than you paid. And let's run the math on this business model really quick. Let's say you get 200 bonus leads for $9, which is our current LeadShark offer. So you spend $9, and then you sell each one of these leads to the customer for $1 per lead. That would mean that you made $200 minus the $9 that you spent on these leads for a profit of $191. If you get on one of the LeadShark plans and want to sell in bulk, you can get leads for 50 cents, 40 cents, 30 cents, or even cheaper, depending on how many you buy. And that way you can build a sustainable business just reselling the data inside of the LeadShark database. It's never been easier to make money with lead generation. And that's all you need. You have the leads. You can use a tool like Yet Another Mail Merge to send for free to these leads. If you wanted to send a cold email, You could also use more advanced tools that we recommend on the tools page. And search around on this channel. We've got a ton of content in terms of the exact email scripts. In fact, here on the screen right now is the exact cold email that you can use to sell these leads to other people. Copy paste this, customize it for your needs, and get going with the outreach. And if you want the 200 leads for $9 offer that we just talked about, you can get that by going to leadshark.com/YouTube, 200 bonus leads for only $9. Get that down below by hitting that URL, or you can click the link in the description. If you want to learn more about lead generation and join a community of hustlers all working to build our businesses together, then check out Email 10K, which you can do at email10k.com. That also includes calls with me every single week, where we'll break down your emails, rewrite your scripts if needed, and help you along the way to build a sustainable lead generation business. Again, you can join that at email10k.com. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.